Hey guys, welcome back. I have two things I want to show you today, and they're for hollow form turning. So I mentioned this in the last video, this little blue line here, it's actually an air line, and it's for blowing the shavings out when you're doing hollow forms. It works great. When we were in Vegas, I got to talk to Charles from Conestoga Work. He's the guy that makes the Lichtenberg machine for burning. Same guy. So both these are from him. I'll have a link down below in the description for him. It's really cool. So when you're doing hollow form turning, the shavings pack in there. It's always pain. You got to stop, grab your arrows, blow them out. This one actually has a foot pedal on it. You just step on that. It cleans them out. Has a little regulator on it too. So you want to turn the air pressure down when you're doing that. You can't have it at full pressure, but it works great. It has a magnet on it. Put it anywhere on the lathe. And then this little light right here. This thing is slick. I just have it plugged into my power strip down there. It has two magnets on the back side of it, so it clamps right behind the tool rest, and you can see right in there and see what you're doing. Before I get started though, Mike Wall, I'm keeping the beard. I'm coming for you, man. I should have a full beard by, I don't know, this weekend. Watch out. Watch your back. All right, let me get the camera moved. I'll get everything set up, and I'll show you how it works. Help support the companies that support our community. A little light here, I just have it plugged into my power strip down there. It has two magnets you put on the back of it there. It mounts right on the back side, and you can see in there and see what you're doing. You get it cleaned out, get that little nub out of there. This I need to figure out some place to put this back here, but here's the air nozzle. So it has a magnet on it. It'll stick right to your lathe. It won't stick to my lathe because they're stainless steel, but I'm putting it right on the banjo there, and it's a strong magnet on there. And then you can move this thing wherever you want. Foot pedal there, just goes right down on the floor. And get the hose hooked up real quick, and we'll do a little bit of turning. So regulator on it is, he said that so if you can't have it at like 120 pounds because it would just blow this thing away. So he said right at about 25 pounds is perfect. So, and it just cleans it out. Just like that. You don't have to move anything anymore. Get this right up there. You turn the light on. And I just had this set up right like that. I'll run the lathe for a second here, clean out a little bit of this. I had the dust collector going too, so it's blowing it out and sucking it right down there. So what happens when you're doing a hollow form like this is it fills up with shavings in there, and they go around the outside of it, and you can't cut. The tool won't cut. It'll start hitting those, and that's why you need to keep cleaning it out. So this thing just blows around that fast. Do a few more. And if this is in your way too, you can move it around a little bit. And depending on the speed, if it's spinning really fast, it's gonna keep them around the outside when you're blowing it out. So that's why I turned it on. And just that quick, slick. Thank you, Charles. All right, I'll put a link down below in the description to Charles's website if you want to check those out. I think they're great little tools. You can probably use the light for different things too, other than hollow form, but the little air thing works fantastic, and it's going to speed up the whole process for doing hollow form turning and cleaning that out. And all right, don't forget, we're going to be in Waco, Texas the weekend after next for the SWAT Wood Turning Symposium. If you're in the area, please stop by and say hi. It is free to get into the vendor area and gallery. So if you're interested in wood turning or thinking about getting into it, please stop by and check out all the cool stuff in the gallery and look around the vendor area. and check out all the cool tools. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care.